1103 2 fuse pads in transformer vaults and or rooms. Customer's service shall be supplied and accepted from CPS Energy fuse pad located within the customer-built transformer vault or room. Not more than one service shall be supplied from a fuse pad. The fuse pad shall be the point of delivery and be furnished and installed by CPS Energy. Customer's service equipment location shall be as close to the transformer vault or room as possible. Refer to definition of fuse pad, note. Details concerning fuse pads are as follows. 1. To ensure proper phasing and connecting of conductors, the exact location of customer and CPS Energy facilities must be closely coordinated with the CPS Energy customer service representative. 2. The location for fuse pads shall be on the transformer vault or room wall as specified by CPS Energy. 3. Customer shall advise CPS Energy of bus bar width or cable size and quantity to connect to fuse pads plus any other details related to connections on fuse pads. CPS Energy will not allow bus bars having a width less than 4 inches to be connected on its fuse pads. 4. Customer shall furnish all conductors and CPS Energy approved connectors and copper flags, if required, on load side of fuse pads. Service entrance shall be copper bus or copper conductors. Where service entrance conductors are installed, customer shall furnish single barrel, 2-hole tongue lugs. Mounting holes in tongue shall be 9/16 inches and spaced vertically and horizontally 1 3/4 inches center to center. Cable lug width shall not exceed 1 3/4 inches and height shall not exceed 2 1/4 inches. 5. Where required, customer shall furnish pre-drilled bus bars and copper flags for fuse pad connections. The connection surfaces of bus bars and cable connections must have appropriate plating for corrosion protection. CPS Energy will make all connections on fuse pads. 6. Bus bars to fuse pads must be insulated beyond fuse pad panels. 7. Low impedance bus bars and customers' conductors must be unscrambled, all like phases to come together. Customer shall provide a desk rambling area, box, size to the NEC and meeting CPS Energy specifications prior to entering transformer vault or room or other CPS Energy facilities. The desk rambling box shall be provided with a pentabolt device and means to lock and seal by CPS Energy, refer to Article 1103(4). 8. The opening and sealing of penetrations into transformer vaults or rooms for customers' conductors shall be closely coordinated with the CPS Energy customer service representative. This work shall be done by customer and must be watertight and not permit rodent penetration. All sealant used inside the transformer vault or room shall be all approved and sealed per NFPA codes with the appropriate fire rating. 1103 3 Service lateral raceways and conductors. All customer-owned raceways and conductors installed on the load side of the point of delivery, shall be furnished, installed, and maintained by customer and be in accordance with A. and B. below. A. Service lateral raceways. Customer shall furnish and install raceways from the fuse pad location or desk rambling box at customer-built transformer vault or room to customer's service equipment. Such raceways shall extend not more than 4 feet inside the building. For greater distances, customer must obtain approval from CPS Energy and install raceways in a manner that will render them as being outside of the building. Refer to definition of conductors considered outside of building. Service lateral raceways installed ahead of CPS Energy metering equipment shall be rigid metal conduit, RMC, intermediate metal conduit, IMC, or bus duct. All raceways shall be continuous except for couplings and if utilized, bus duct shall be of the non-ventilated type. Exception. Where raceways are installed underground from a fuse pad or desk rambling box at customer-built transformer vault or room to customer's service equipment, they may be scheduled 40 or 80 PVC where installed in a manner rendering them outside of building. Refer to definition of conductors considered outside of building. B. Service lateral conductors. Customer will be responsible for furnishing and installing service lateral conductors from the customer-built transformer vault or room to customer's service equipment. Customer must accept 4-wire Y service at their service disconnecting means and assure that all single-phase loads are properly balanced. The service lateral conductors shall be installed in accordance with the NEC and all applicable codes. Paralleled conductors must be electrically joined at both ends to form a single conductor. Note: Customer shall coordinate with the CPS Energy customer service representative for approved methods and location of desk rambling box and for penetration into transformer vault or room and fuse pad. 1103 for desk rambling box. Before entering transformer vault or room and fuse pad location, low impedance bus bars and customers' conductors must be unscrambled, all like phases to come together. Customer shall provide a desk rambling area, box, prior to entering transformer vault or room. The desk rambling box shall be sized in accordance with the minimum provisions of the NEC and shall also meet the provisions of 1 through 4 below. 1. Be provided with a pentabolt device and sealing and locking means by CPS Energy. 2. Box shall be located immediately before entering the transformer vault or room. 3. Conduits used to penetrate transformer vault or room shall be scheduled 40 or 80 PVC with bell ends. 4. Sealing shall be provided by customer in accordance with Article 1103(2) exception. Where location of transformer vault/room does not permit for the desk rambling box to be located at a readily accessible location immediately on the outside of vault/room wall, the desk rambling box may be incorporated into the vault with a pour-in-place design. The size of desk rambling area shall be determined based upon the number and size of service conduits, and CPS Energy's network section shall designate the approved location, refer Figure 1103.